Okay, this is an instruction for the Vivitar Aero View video drone. If you're having problems putting on the guards for the propellers, stay tuned and I will show you how to do this. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do here is remove this cover. Let me show you what we got here. You have a screw here and a screw here. You're going to need to take those screws out. On this one I was able to get the cover off. So what you're going to have is the cover here, the screw here, screw there to take the cover off. Loosen up the screw here. And these are the two screws that are going to hold your shroud on for the fan guard or the blade guard. I've already assembled this one previously, but that's what you're looking at. Okay, what I'm finding here is the one screw that is on the back side in this area here. This one won't even unscrew. So what I've done here is taken the screw out of this area here, lifted up on the front, and I loosened this screw that's right underneath where this pin goes down in. If you can see, get it a little clearer, there's a screw head right inside there. Loosen that up. This will allow the propeller guard to slide in. Once you get the propeller guard to slide in, then you can put your two screws in on each side here. Don't forget to tighten up this screw here, and then reassemble it, put it all back together.